basically, we do fire suppression systems. What is a suppression system? In a nutshell, fire extinguishers bolted to the machine that will put out and keep out the fires that you may have on your machinery. So what we have in front of you is our live demonstration box. We have, in effect, two mock-up engine bays sitting inside the system. The left-hand side, we work with our powder agent. On the right-hand side, we work with our foam agent. Now, Fireward always uses two agents. We can do a single agent, but we prefer one over the other, and that's what we'll explain today. What we can do is light 4 fires underneath, 2 on the powder side and 2 on the foam side. 1 pan is directly underneath each nozzle, and 1 pan is in the corner. 4 fires lit, 3 will be put out. And there's a reason why 1 stays alight, which we'll explain on the demonstration. To make it an automatic system, we have what we call our detection system. Now, this is basically a plastic tube. It's designed specifically for us, and it's designed to burst at just shy of 200 degrees, so about 180 degrees. It's full with 25 bar of nitrogen. The whole idea is the pressure inside the tube keeps the valves shut on the cylinders. Very simple. Heat, tube, burst the tubes, release the pressure. At the point of releasing that pressure, the valves open and the systems do what they're meant to do. No power is required, as in electricity, for both the detection or the discharge. So to demonstrate this, instead of burning the tube today, we're just going to cut it. It does exactly the same thing. It drops the pressure in the tube, it opens the valve and extinguishes fires. So after 3, we're going to cut the tube. 1, 2, 3. So, powder side has done its job. That's fully extinguished. It's finished. It takes about 1.5 to 2 seconds to go off. On the right hand side, we have our foam. Now, this is what I was saying. Only 3 out of 4 fires go out, and there's a reason for it. With foam on a Fireward system, we don't use foam as a primary firefighting agent. We use it as a backup. The whole idea is to cool down the hot components. So this is actually still discharging, as you can hear, and that will continue to discharge for about 30 to 40 seconds. The whole idea of that is to cool the hot components down within an engine bay. By cooling those hot components down, you stop any risk of reignition. Powder goes off, it'll only go off once. So if the fire reignites because of residual heat still in the engine bay, you have the potential for that fire to reignite and go again. By using a dual agent system with foam and cooling down, you stop that risk. On the left hand side, however, the powder, which I say is only 1 kilo, covers absolutely everything. Both fires, every single time we do this demonstration, goes out. Now this year, we used to use 2 kilo of agent. We don't anymore, we only use 1. It's that effective and that hard hitting, we're absolutely confident that our system puts it out. Looking at your equipment, the type of environment you're in, dust, dirt, debris, oils, powder will put it out, foam keeps it out. Fireward will help you out with dual agent systems. We can tailor it, we can make it as big or small, use either agent, we can work with you.